Good morning class. How are you? I hope you all are good. Welcome to English class. And in this class, we are going to write, yes, tell me, joining A to Z. And I know आपको joining A to Z बहुत अच्छे से आता है ना? आपने बहुत अच्छे से LKG में इसकी प्रैक्टिस करी है. कितनी बार आपने इसको लिखा है ना? तो आज हम उसकी joining A to Z की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. We are going to revise joining A to Z. So hurry up, go and get your English notebook, your sharpened pencil and eraser. You have to write with me. Okay? So let's start our work. So first of all, write down the date. Date is 7.4.21 and here we have written Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. The day is Wednesday and write down the heading joining A hyphen joining Z. Okay, so I'm going to write down, you have to write down with me. First of all, we will write joining A. We'll start from the second blue line, है ना? This is first red line, first blue line, second blue line and second red line. Okay, we'll start from the second blue line. Okay, take a curve, go up, again take a turn, come back, make a loop and make a small A. And what is this? This is joining A. After joining A, it comes joining B. For joining B, come down, go up, make a semicircle. Okay, then again make a semicircle and take a turn. Okay, and नीचे से ही हम go up, touch करते हुए go up and come down, cut on the line and take a turn and touch first blue line. Okay, what is this? This is joining B. Okay, now after joining B, it comes joining C. For joining C, take a tail, go up, come back and go up and make small C, touch lines properly. Okay, what is this? This is joining C. Now, after joining C, what comes? Yes, you tell me. Yes, it comes joining D. So here we will write joining D, come down, make a loop, go up, take a turn and leave it on the blue line. Okay, then नीचे से join करते हुए we will make small d. Go up, come back and take a turn and touch second blue line. Okay, what is this? This is joining D. Okay, now after joining D, it comes joining E. And we will start from the first blue line. यहाँ से हम start करेंगे. Take a curve like this. Slanting line. Go up with a slanting line. Take a turn. Then again make a curve like this. Then take a turn. Go up. Touch first blue line and take a turn. Okay. Then नीचे से join करते हुए we'll go up and make small e. This is joining E. Okay. Now we will make joining F, है ना? After joining E, it comes joining F. Joining F के लिए make a curve like this, come down and take a turn. And upper curve and lower curve should be equal. Okay. Then cut on the line. Here cut on the line and नीचे से join करते हुए we go up, come down, take a turn, cut on the line, come down till second red line, take a turn, go up or center से come out with the little line. Okay, like this. This is joining F. Okay, now what comes after joining F? It comes joining G. Okay, for joining G we will write go up, take a turn, come down, again take a turn और यहीं से हम small g बनाएंगे. Yes, okay, again take a turn. This is joining G. Now after joining G, it comes joining H. For joining H, go up with the slanting line, make it pointed, come down, then take a turn, again make a standing line, then come back, make a loop और इसी loop से we will go up and make small h. Okay, this is joining h. Okay, now we'll write after joining h it comes joining I. Okay, joining I, we'll start from the first blue line, make a sleeping line like this, take a turn, again take a turn, come down and take a turn, and join karte hue will go up with the slanting line, come down, take a turn and put dot on it. This is joining I. Now after joining I it comes joining J. Then make a sleeping line, go up, come down till second red line, then take a turn, इसी से ऊपर जाएंगे, then come down with the little slanting line and take a turn and put dot on it. Okay, this is joining J, joining I, joining J. Now we'll write joining K. For joining K, go up with a slanting line, make it pointed, come down, take a turn, then make a slanting line, again make a slanting line, take a turn and go up and make small k like this. Okay, touch lines properly beta and always use sharp pencil. After joining K, it comes joining L. For joining L, go up with a slanting line and take a turn, come down, then make a loop, touch second blue line, then go up and cut on the line and make small l. This is joining L. Okay, joining I, joining J, joining K, joining L. After L it comes joining M. है ना? तो M we will start from the first blue line, go up with a slanting line, take a turn, come down till second blue line, then come back on the same line and make a mount like this. Again come back, make a mount, then take a turn and make small m. Okay, this is joining M. This is joining M. Okay, after joining M it comes joining N. For joining N we will start from the first blue line, go up, come back, come down, make a mount, come down and take a turn and make small n like this. Okay, this is joining N. Joining M, joining N, then joining O. Now take a turn, curve banao, make a curve, then go up and take a turn and leave it. Okay, इसको आपको little space छोड़ना है यहाँ पे. Then touch करते हुए go up and make small O and touch first blue line. Then joining O के बाद we will write joining, yes you tell me, joining P. Come down, go up with the curve and make a semicircle and यहीं से नीचे touch करते हुए go up and come down, come back, make a mount and take a turn. This is joining P. This is joining P. Okay, joining M, joining N, joining O, joining P, joining P. Now we are going to write joining Q. Okay, joining Q के लिए हमने पहले O ही बनाना है. O की तरह ही होता है joining Q, है ना? We'll start from the red line, make a curve like this, go up and make it little open like this और नीचे से curve बनाना like this, touch the blue line, second blue line और turn करते हुए ऊपर जाओ and make small q, come down with the little slanting line and touch the second blue line. Okay, touch the second blue line like this. This is joining Q. Now after joining Q it comes joining R. We'll start from the first red line, come down, go up with the curve, make a semicircle, come down with a slanting line, take a turn and make small r. Okay, this is joining R. After joining R, it comes joining S. For joining us, हम कहाँ से start करेंगे? We'll start from the second blue line. Go up, take a turn, cut on the line. Again take a turn, go up, touch first blue line and leave it like this. Okay. Then join करते हुए we'll make small s. Take a turn and come out with a little curve. This is joining S. Joining Q, joining R, joining S. Now joining T. Okay. Take a curve like this, come down and take a turn. Upper curve and lower curve should be equal. Go up, come down, take a turn and red or blue line के center में cut on the line. Okay? Be careful, आपको cut जरूर बनाना है. Okay? Q, joining R, joining S, joining T. Now joining U. Okay, we'll start from the first blue line, go up, take a turn, come down, then go up, come back on the same line and go up and make small U like this. This is small U. Now joining V, go up, take a turn, come down, again take a little curve, go up and make a curve like this. Okay, and नीचे से join करते हुए we'll make small V. And what is this? This is joining V. Joining U, joining V. Now I'm going to write joining W. Here we'll write joining W. Go up, take a turn, come down, again go up, come back on the same line and make a mount, go up and make a curve like this. Okay, then नीचे से join करते हुए we'll make small W. Okay, like this. Okay, this is joining W. Now I'm going to write joining X. Okay, go up, take a curve, again go up and make C like this, then make small x. Okay, touch the lines properly. What is this? This is joining X. Okay beta? Yes beta, after X it comes joining Y, है ना. Joining X के बाद joining Y आता है, but joining Y हमने कहाँ लिखना है? Under joining V. Okay, joining V के नीचे हमें joining Y लिखना है. और joining Y हमें कहाँ से start करना है? We have to start from the first blue line. Okay, go up with a slanting line, take a turn, come down and go up, come down till second red line, take a turn and go up and make small Y. Okay, go up and cut on the line. This is joining Y. Okay, अब बेटा joining Y के बाद क्या आता है? It comes joining Z. और joining Z हमें कहाँ लिखना है? किसके नीचे? Under joining W. Here we will write joining Z. Okay, तो joining Z हमें first blue line से start करना है. Go up with a slanting line, take a turn, come down till second blue line, again make a curve, take a turn, go up and cut on the line. और इसी line से हम small Z बनाएंगे. Okay, and cut on the line. What is this? This is joining Z. Okay beta, let's read A to Z. Okay, this is joining A. You have to speak after me. This is joining B. This is joining C. This is joining D. This is joining E. This is joining F. This is joining G. This is joining H. This is joining I. This is joining J. This is joining K. This is joining L. This is joining M. This is joining N. This is joining O. This is joining P. This is joining Q. This is joining R. This is joining S. This is joining T. This is joining U. This is joining V. This is joining W. And this is joining X. beta, this is joining Y and this is joining Z. Okay. So, my dear students, आपको A to Z की बहुत अच्छे से इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Okay? आपको नोट डाउन करना अपनी नोटबुक पे with date and with day. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.